Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can automate Photoshop to work for you. Sometimes we have very simple tasks in Photoshop, but that requires a lot of time and efforts. That makes it very boring too. So let me show you what kind of task I'm talking about. Let's say we have this image in Photoshop and first rename this to 1001. Okay, so you want this image to be exported 10 times or maybe 100 times, and each time you export the image, you want this use code to be different. Like first, in the first export it needs to be 1001. Next time it needs to be 1002, and next time it needs to be 1003, and so on, maybe up to 10 or 1010 or 1080 or 1090. So doing that, exporting the images manually and changing the use code and renaming those images manually is really going to be a nightmare if you have hundreds of images, right? So the traditional way of doing so is you simply go to export, and even if you quick export as PNG, and it's still going to take a lot of time for hundreds of images. So let's see, you have to manually rename this to something else, let's say 1001, and save it. Now again, next time you want it to be 1002, so change it to 1002, and again quickly export this image, again rename this 1002, and so on. Now, imagine repeating this same step for hundreds of images. It's really going to be a nightmare. Nobody would want to do that manually, right? So let me show you a quick way. Photoshop provides a feature called Photoshop scripting. So what this exactly is? Basically, Photoshop scripting is you can write your own code or instructions to make Photoshop automatically work for you. You can go up to any level, but this is the very basic one. So let me show you how you can do this and how you can make use of it. I have this file called numbering.jsx. This is the Photoshop script that I'm going to run. To run this script, you simply needs to go to File, Scripts, and Browse. Navigate to the numbering.jsx script, select this and load the script. Once you load it, it will ask you for the initial value, like from where you want to start the first number. So that's going to be 1000, sorry, 1001 in our case. This is the first number. This is from where we want to start, and we need to go up to 1009. We want 9 images, or let's say 1010. Even you can make it 2000 or 3000. That depends upon you, but for to make it simple, to keep it simple, let's take 1010 for now. Click OK, and it will ask you for the output folder, what name you want to give to the output folder. So you can keep it output, or you can rename it to something else, whatever you want. I'm naming it to out images. Click OK. It will ask you where you want to save this output images folder. Let's say you want to save it on desktop only. Select, and now Photoshop script has started doing its work. Now if you go to desktop, you can see this output images folder over here, and if you open this folder, you can see the Photoshop script is doing its work. Each image is getting exported automatically with a different number and a different name. First we have this 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, and so on, and it will keep exporting the images automatically up to 1010, because this is what we specified into the settings. Okay, it exported all the images up to 1010, right? we have these 10 images over here, and the thing we had to do is we just need to load the script and it automatically look after rest of the work. So in case you need the script, you can get in touch with me. I'll put my contact information in the description below. And even if you have some specific requirement, like you want your script to work in a different way, uh, so you can tell me that and I can customize the script based on your requirements. Thank you for watching this video.